To power off your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the upper left button just right here. And then navigate with those two buttons, the up and down button, to reach the power off. And then select it with the start stop button just right here. And then your watch will power off. Then when you will want to turn it on, you can't press any button to do it. You need to press that button just right here. A single press is enough and your watch will be ready to be used in few seconds. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.